quick and healthy dinner option, but all too often it turns out bland and dry without help from your culinary wingman. I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents kitchen, and I'm gonna show you how to make the most succulent salmon ever with our new BBQ Glazed Salmon seasoning mix. The best part about this recipe is you need two things: salmon and seasoning. No butter, no oil, no salt, just these two things. You're gonna use the entire 1 ounce pouch to season 1 pound of salmon. So you're gonna be really generous with this. Now that these are seasoned, we're gonna put them on a foil-lined baking sheet, and they're going into a 400-degree oven. The trick to cooking juicy salmon is to not overcook it. We're gonna put it in the oven, and we are gonna check it in 10 minutes. While the salmon cooks, I'm gonna show you an idea for how to complete your meal. We really like to serve this salmon on a bed of quinoa. We also like sliced avocado and cucumber ribbons. Cucumber ribbons might sound really fancy, but they're actually very simple. You just use a veggie peeler like this. You get these beautiful long strips of cucumber that you can fold and curl and make really beautiful in your bowl. Now you're ready for your salmon. These just came out of the oven, so we're gonna check to make sure they're done. I'm gonna take a paring knife and insert it right in between some of those flaky layers. This is flaking really well, which means it's done. This salmon smells so sweet and smoky. I cannot wait to give it a taste. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's so good. It's so juicy and tender. And the caramelization with the brown sugar is such a nice balance to the smokiness and savory paprika. The cucumber and avocado give like a creamy, crunchy balance. The whole thing is delicious. For this recipe and more, go to urbanaccents.com. We have your back in the kitchen.